see the screen? Good. No? Can you guys see this? Yes. Okay, cool. Um, all right. Guess we'll give it another minute and then just get started. People can trickle in as it goes. Uh, all right. I think I'll get started and then people can kind of catch up. Because yeah, want to be mindful of time. So my name is Peter. And just to make 100% sure, can people hear me and see my screen in the chat? So, um, can people hear me? Thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, thumbs up. Cool. So, my name is Peter. I'm the founder of NoCodeFusion, which is a Chrome extension that sits on top of Bubble and lets you easily kind of generate components and different aspects of your app using AI. And so, yeah, in this demo, I'm just going to show kind of a quick preview of how I use it. And then also, I'm basically, I've been working on a big update, which is kind of overhauling the entire component library. And I can show you kind of how that's starting to look. So yeah, I mean, starting, I just created this app here with the template, which is going to be launching soon. And we can open it using the Chrome extension here. And so it's a full component library. And so we can see different sections that we have images, all these different things. And the AI essentially has access to these components and can piece them together. Just gonna check back in. Okay. So what we also have as well, so we can generate designs, we can generate API connections, and we can generate a database and option set. I'm gonna start with the database and option set, and we can kind of like piece together an app. So I'm gonna say generate the database for an app like product hunt. We'll send that over. And then we'll give it a sec. And so the template comes with like a dummy data type and a user data type. But okay, so we'll go to our option set and we'll see it gave us a category. So we'll copy that, paste it in. And so now we have an option set of categories, and then a user role, which we don't need because we should already have that. Then we have a product data type, which we'll copy, paste here, and these won't come with privacy rules. So that's something you'll have to add when you paste them in. And then also, so we have this and then the NoCodeFusion kind of app generator. And this will basically do all of this in one 10-minute go, but I figured that wouldn't be very interesting. So I'd rather kind of do it stepwise. Looks like a vote on a product. Interesting. And then users, which I don't think we need to copy. Cool. So you can see it gave us a full database here, simple database, I guess, of an app like Product Hunt. So what we could do then is go to our component library, to our pages, and copy. Let's do a stacked layout page. So this will be kind of like a standard page with a header. And just want to make sure people can hear me. Okay. Um, cool. So let's replace this logo. Let's just add in an image really quick. Get rid of that. Set aspect ratio. And then I have a pre-downloaded product hunt image. So we'll just add that in. All right, cool. So if we preview our page, we'll see something that looks like this. So not bad. We'll just have home. And then maybe what we'll have is a button here. This here. Is that? I don't know. New. Okay. So we have this. So on the home page, if you're not familiar with product hunt, let's see. Go here. So let's just focus on making something that looks like this. So it'll just be a list of products. And then we'll see like upvotes, and then we'll click into one and kind of see a detail view. And then what I also want to create is a way to create a product. So we will do, oh, and I think did I already set okay, yeah. In preparation, I got the color for product on, so that is the primary color. All right, so what we can do is go to our AI chat, go to our design, and we can pass through the product data type, and we can say generate a list of products like on the home page of product. Okay, I think it's fine. Just going to double check. I am still here. Cool. I don't know if you guys can let me know if anything cuts out at some point. So we'll see. All right, so we'll copy with workflows. We'll paste it in. And you'll see here, now we have a nice products list. We will get rid of this. Honestly, we'll just hide this together. And it looks like this says top products launching today. So now if we view here, we should see a nice list already kind of set up, and then a filters drop down, which looks like we can search by product. Probably don't need that. And then category, which we can set up. But yeah, so we have a repeating group here, and then this will be doing a search for products. Okay, so we'll come back to that. I think for now we need a way to create a product. So group products, and we will set this to be visible when tab is home. Okay, so now let's create a form to create a product. So we're going to pass through product, and we're going to say generate a form to submit a new product. And we'll wait. And so it's really good at kind of this like bulk functionality that can tie to your database, and then you can kind of go in and make minor modifications as you need. So we should see here we'll call this group add product. And we'll see it gave us a bunch of forms. I'm going to put this inside of a group like so. And then we'll say when get tab is product. And on this button, just navigate to current page, set tab to product. So now when we hit product, now we'll have this nice create new product form. I'm going to remove debug mode, so it's kind of annoying. Cool. So we should see some nice inputs and everything. A go back button, which I think just pre-fills to, yeah, okay. So we'll do that. So let's just set up this workflow here. And you would put these into reusables, but I'm going to be a little lazy for now. So this, I think there's a bug. Yeah, so you'll see it should name most of these. I think there's a bug right now with inputs, which I will fix, but call this input name. And then for now, we'll see that this comes with a create new product. And we actually want this to be when add edit views product is empty. And this is for if you're using this as an edit view as well, which we could set up, but for demo purposes, I think we're just going to do it this. So we'll set okay, category. We want to be category, all category. Okay, we might have to refresh for that to show up. Picture uploader. What's this? Description, text, value, name, URL. Is it? Well, and then votes should default to 0. And I think I saw here, we don't actually need that. All right. And then basically, I think what we want to happen is we'll just go to the home page for now. And obviously, we're doing this quickly, but you could figure out a lot better UX for this. So I think that's fine. And then maybe we'll show an alert. So we can drag in an alert from our component library. Go here, copy, put it at the top. There we go, success. Your product was submitted. And then we'll just show an alert. All right. So now if we fill this out, we'll say product name, NoCodeFusion, the best AI copilot for Bubble. Category is technology. I think this product image thing might be a little glitchy right now. Let's just add the logo. There it is. Yeah, I gotta remove that thing. And then we'll say NoCodeFusion.com. Save. Your product was submitted. And so we'll see here, now we've got it here. And just want to make sure I'm still here. Okay, cool. Everybody can hear me, see me. Thumbs up if yes. Yes, perfect. Okay, cool. All right. So we can go back to our products page here. And it looks like this is a badge, which we can set to Pancreas product. And then we'll set the badge to be categories display. This will be the description, and then votes. That is kind of ugly. So what we might do instead is set this to be caret up. That will be Pancreas products votes. So if we look at that, cool. And so, okay, so we don't want that. We want this to just, for now, we're just going to say make changes to thing, parent groups product, votes equals votes plus 1. And obviously you'd want to like keep track of the users that upvote it so that people can't upvote multiple times. But this is fine for now. And then I think the last thing I want to do for this demo is just set up a detail page. So now when they hit view, let's set up a detail page. So we'll pass through product again. And what we might do actually is also pass through our entire database, and we can say generate a product detail view with a commenting with all details about the product and a section for comments. And I'm currently working on a better comment component, but I think it will use this kind of like activity feed component. So we'll take a look. Oh, that was quick. Seemed too quick. What do we get? Yeah, it didn't add everything I want. Say add more sections. And actually, you know what, I'm going to start from the beginning. And what I can do, I just added this feature where you can ask it to use specific components. And I think I want it to use this profile detail view, which will be kind of like a prettier looking profile detail view. Generate a product detail view about the product. All details about the product, add different sections, including a section for comments. Okay. And we will send that through. So now, hopefully it should use the profile detail view, which I can show you here. All of these things can also be manually pasted in, but it's a lot more fun to use the AI. So it'll be something that kind of looks like that. Oh, all right, we got a small little bug, which I think is because we're demoing, of course, and I'm using this new version, so there may be some blimps. Let's just try that again. I was noticing an issue earlier today with it, so there might be a bug somewhere. All right, well, let's see what this came up with. Boom, okay. So now we should have kind of like a product detail section. So we will hide this by default and say to be visible when product is detail. And then we will view, go to page, tab equals product detail. Perfect, already set up. So when I hit view, boom, now we should see a product detail page starting to kind of piece together. Okay, so it looks like it has contact seller. Okay, so it probably thought this was I probably should have given it more context that this is product hunt, because in that AI chat, I think I just passed through product, and so it had no idea. But here we could do something like visit website, do link. Then this could be, maybe we don't even need that. And that can just go to open external website. URL. And then let's see here, let's add in description. Heritage products description. And yeah, we could fill those in obviously, and then some kind of comment section. Okay, so then let's just put this in like a border. That might look a little nicer. And yeah, we had no cover image, so right now it's just going to use that cover image. But yeah, hopefully this shows kind of like the speed and the capabilities of what it can do. I mean, that was what, 15 minutes, and we got a nice page, view, details, new product, all kind of like hooked up. And again, the goal is I'll be adding this new kind of system here as well, where you can do this all kind of in one go in 10 minutes. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for this demo. And then maybe I can answer questions or take requests of what people want to see, if there's anything. We'll leave that to the chat. I wish I could like talk to you guys. That'd be cool. Um, well, if there's nothing, then we can kind of probably stop it here. But I'm happy to take questions for the next 5 minutes if anybody has one. Um, and yeah, I think that's it. Hey, final chance. Great. Well, if there's nothing, yeah, hope to see you on NoCodeFusion and hope you enjoyed this demo. I'm gonna stop the recording and